We save food boxes for a month because trash is about to become Christmas treasure. Well, we were supposed to be shopping, but the potential snow canceled our plans, so we turned shopping day into an ultimate cardboard upcycling challenge. Young adult number 2 did not want to participate, but for a great reason. She spent the morning working on a secret gift for a widow in our church. We love that she took the initiative to do this project. She needed some extra help, so teen number 1 and I tagged out, but you'll see what I created at the end of the video. So, what is the challenge? I challenged each teen or young adult to come up with a craft or gift. Let's see what young adult number 1 created. Young adult number 1 wanted to make a gift that was both a craft and a new decoration for her dresser. She ended up getting herself and me in a very sticky situation.
Right? Oh. Is this one sticky thing protector not as easy to get off? Okay. Oh.
There it goes. I think she nailed it. If you're enjoying our snow day challenge so far, go ahead and tap that like button. Now we have teen number two's project. She took her challenge very seriously and wanted to make a thoughtful gift for all three of her sisters. While we don't have a finished piece to show you for teen number two's project, I'm so happy to see her passion for wanting to make a beautiful gift for each of her sisters. Finally, it was my turn. Teen number one was our go-to helper for young adult number two's secret project, so she and I tagged out. I'm thrilled with how all our cardboard creations turned out. This challenge was a reminder that you don't need to shop to make meaningful gifts. We took trash and truly turned it into Christmas treasure.